Welcome students. Today let us start with our chapter first, practice set 5. Hope you must have practiced till practice set 4. Now today we are going to start with practice set 5. It is a construction of a right angle triangle. See here, construct triangles of the measures given below. Children, this is a construction of right angle triangle. You all know right angle triangle usually we draw like this way. This is a 90-degree angle. And you should know opposite to 90-degree angle, this side is called as a hypotenuse side. What is this side called as? Hypotenuse. And the downside it is called as a base. So you should know all this. This is first side. This is downside is called as a base, and opposite to this 90-degree angle, this side is called as a hypotenuse. So this is a right angle triangle. In this practice set 5 we have to construct a right angle triangle. So in this practice set you will be given one base, angle, and this side will be given to you all. Okay, so let us start with our question number 1. Okay, in triangle MAN, measure of angle MAN is 90 degree, means angle A is 90 degree. Length of AN is 8 centimeter. Length of MN is 10 centimeter. So children, you know, first we have to start with a rough figure. So let me draw one rough triangle, right angle triangle. Its name is MAN, where MAN is 90, means angle A is 90. So this one is 90. Length of AN is 8 centimeter. AN is down. This is your base. It is how much? 8 centimeter. And length of MN. MN is opposite to 90 degree. So this side is your hypotenuse. Okay. So MN is 10 centimeter. So remember this, in this practice set 5, you have to construct one right angle triangle. In that, measure of angle will be given to you. 90 degree means it is right angle triangle. One base will be given and one hypotenuse will be given. So remember that the angle will be in between, and the remaining two sides will be of this one. Now let us MN is 90, MN is 90 degree, AN is 8 centimeter, MN is 10 centimeter. Let us draw it. So first we'll, as usual, will start with a base. Here A is 90 means MN will be hypotenuse. Remember this. Remaining two vertices, last vertices will be your hypotenuse side. Now AN is 8 centimeter. So draw the base 8 centimeter. This is 8 centimeter AN. Then angle A you have to take 90 degree with the help of protractor. So keep it on A. Place it properly on A. Now look from inside 0, 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. Here it is on top 90. Mark it. Make a ray. Then see here, this MN is 10 centimeter. This you have to take it in a compass with the help of a scale. How much it is the hypotenuse side MN? 10 centimeter. Take it in a scale with the help of protractor. Compass. Keep it on N and make a arc like this. Let me check it again. It is 10 centimeter. Okay. Place your pointer on N. Make a cut arc like this and then join to get your hypotenuse side. So this is your third side MN. MN is hypotenuse, it is 10 centimeter, AN is 8 centimeter, angle A is 90 degrees. So this is your required triangle MAN, 90 degree right angle triangle. Now let's move to the second one. In right angle triangle STU, hypotenuse SU is 5 centimeter, and ST is 4 centimeter. See children, if SU is hypotenuse, then angle T is 90 degree. I already told you all. So SU is hypotenuse, it will be this side. Then ST you have to take it as a base. So let's draw right angle triangle first roughly. ST you have to take it down. So ST, and this will be your ST. ST is how much? 4 centimeter. S is 1 minute. ST, you can name it like this. Wait. STU, you can name it like this. T is 90 degree, ST is 4 centimeter, and SU you are getting hypotenuse. So SU is 5 centimeter. So you can give the name like this. So let's draw now. ST is the base. So draw ST 4 centimeter. Sorry, naming ST is like this. ST. Now T is 90 degree. So place your protractor on T. To get 90 degree. Now SU, hypotenuse is how much? 5 centimeter. You have to take it in a compass with the help of a scale. 5 centimeter. So place it on S, make arc, then join it to get your hypotenuse side. So this is your required triangle STU. Even you can construct a triangle like this also. See, I'm just telling you STU. So T was 90, ST 4 centimeter, and SU was 5 centimeter. You can construct in this way also. So let's SU 5 centimeter, just name it. T was 90 degree. Okay, anyhow, any way, any one way. Now let's see the third one. In triangle ABC, length of AC is 7.5 centimeter. Length measure of angle ABC is 90 degree. Length of BC is 5.5 centimeter. So let's start first with the rough triangle. Triangle ABC. So let's draw one rough right angle triangle ABC. Angle B is 90 degree. So definitely these two vertices will be hypotenuse. So AC side with hypotenuse. So AC is how much? 7.5 centimeter, and BC will be the base. So BC is down only base, 5.5 centimeter. So let us draw it. Construct with the base first. 5.5 centimeter BC. 5.5, after 5 lines. So this is BC, 5.5 centimeter. Now angle B 90 degree, you have to take it with the help of a protractor. 90 degree. Make a ray. Now from A to C distance 7.5, you have to take it in a compass with the help of scale. 7.5. Okay. Place it on C. Make arc and then join to get your third side, that is hypotenuse. So this is your required triangle, right angle triangle ABC, where angle B is 90, side AC is hypotenuse 7.5 centimeter, BC is 5.5 centimeter. Now one more sum, last sum. In triangle PQR, length of PQ is 4.5 centimeter, length of PR is 11.7 centimeter, measure of angle PQR is 90 degree. Now see, Q is 90 means, angle Q is 90 means PR is 11.7 centimeter. Let's draw it. First rough figure. Q is 90, therefore PR will be the hypotenuse. This is your hypotenuse side and this will be your base side. So let's draw the figure, rough figure. See, Q is 90 and PQ is your base. So P will be here and R will be here. PR is hypotenuse. So opposite to 90 we are getting PR is 11.7 centimeter. Q is 90 and PQ is we are coming getting down base. This 4.5 centimeter. You can take it like this way also. Now let's draw PQ first base 4.5 centimeter. Okay. Then Q angle is 90, PQR is 90. So you have to place it on Q, your protractor, to mark it 90 degree. So this is your 90. Now P to R, you have to take it in a 11.7 with the help of scale in your 11.7. Compass you have to take it. Take properly 11.7 in your compass. See here 11.5 two lines. This is 11.7. You have to place it on P. As this is not getting cancelled, you can extend this ray. Extend this ray. Now you can join this. This is your hypotenuse side, 11.7 centimeter PR. This is Q90, PQ 4.5 centimeter. So till here we have seen practice set 5. All the 4 sums, practice it very well. In the next part we will see practice set 6. Till then, goodbye.